Learn how to get a business loan even when you think you won't qualify. Most people go to their conventional bank when they need a business loan, but the Department of Revenue reported last year that over 98% of business financing is not coming from big banks. Almost all business loans are now coming from alternative lenders. Unlike conventional banks, alternative lenders have much easier qualification requirements. So, you can often get approved with alternative lending sources when you can't with your bank, and even when you think there's no way you'll get approved. Alternative lending options now mean you can get approved for a business loan even if you have really bad personal credit, no business credit, no types of collateral, you're just starting a business, you don't have tax returns, or your returns aren't good, or you have limited or no cash flow. The key to getting approved is to know what lenders are looking for to issue you approval. This way, you can meet their requirements before you apply. You need to know what types of financing are available, so you'll know what to apply for. All credit issuers and lenders have requirements you must meet to get approved for a business loan. You can often get approved automatically without a manual review if you meet these requirements. Even with a manual review, by knowing what these secret requirements are, you can meet or exceed them before you apply, nearly guaranteeing your approval. You should set up a neutral business name and not be in a high-risk industry. If you have a name indicating you are in a high-risk industry, you can be declined. If declined, you can still be subject to more stringent underwriting guidelines. These industries will often get you an immediate decline: ammunition or weapons manufacturing, wholesale and retail, bail bonds, check cashing agencies, energy oil trading or petroleum extraction or production, financial services, gaming or gambling activities, loans for the speculative purchases of securities or goods, pawn shops, political campaigns, X-rated products, or entertainment. These industries will expose you to more stringent underwriting guidelines: agriculture or forced products, auto, recreational vehicle or boat sales, courier services, computer and software-related services, dry cleaners, entertainment, general contractors, gasoline stations or convenience stores, healthcare, special trade contractors, hotels or motels, limousine services, long-distance or over-the-road trucking, mobile or manufactured home sales, phone sales and direct selling establishments, restaurant or drinking establishments, software or programming companies. You can get a business loan with any entity, but choosing an LLC or corporation will mean that you and your business are separate, limiting your liability. Make sure you set up your bank account as well. Setting up items such as your bank account, EIN, and DUNS number will require a physical address. Your business should have an address. This address should not be a home address. It should be an actual physical address, a real location. If you don't have that, get a virtual address. You need a business phone number. This cannot be a home or cell phone number. It can be a VoIP number. You should also have a local phone number, which should be listed as 411. You need a professional website and email. You can get your domain. Having a professional website and email address is essential for any business. You can easily obtain your domain name and email account from a provider such as GoDaddy for less than $12. Hosting your website is also affordable. You can purchase a website template from a site like Template Monster and hire someone from Upwork to put it up for you. To ensure that you're operating legally, have the proper licensing for your county, state, and industry. Verify that your business information is correctly listed online, and ensure that your documents and listings match. If you need funding for your business, check out credit union banks for financing options. Before applying for funding, ensure that your information is accurate and credible to lenders. You can qualify for a business loan based on your cash flow if it's consistent, over $10,000 monthly, and can be verified by bank statements or tax returns. You must also have been in business for 1 year or more. You may qualify for revenue financing if you have consistent deposits in your business bank account. You can obtain between $5,000 and $500,000 in funding quickly, even within 48 hours or less. All that's required is a quick bank statement review. You should have 1 year in business and $10,000 or more in monthly deposits to get approved. However, if you have compensating factors, you can still get approved. You can also obtain business financing based on your consumer credit quality. Lenders will want to see that your credit is good, with a score of over 700. You may still qualify if you have an average credit score, but your cash flow is verifiable through your tax returns. Unsecured financing provides some of the highest loan amounts, even for startups. You can obtain a 0% business credit card or stated income loan without any financials required. These loans report to business credit reporting agencies, allowing you to build your business credit while accessing even more funding without a personal guarantee. You can usually get lent 5 times the amount of your highest revolving credit limit account, up to $150,000. This is the highest financing you'll typically see for a startup, easily 5 times what you could get when applying for cards. You can get an alternative SBA loan if you have an average credit or better and have tax returns. These types of financing have longer terms and lower rates, which keeps payments low. Your tax return should show a profit to get approved. You can also get approved for financing if you have collateral to use to offset the lender's risk. You can use a 401k, IRA, stocks or bonds, equipment, inventory purchase orders, account receivables, or business books. Remember to assess your lendable strength and choose the best financing option for your business. To learn more, download our free book, The Business Credit, From Zero to Hero today and start your journey toward financial success. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips and insights on achieving financial freedom.